and welcome to the channel. I've just bought this for my bike. It's for charging, which is the flexsolar 10-watt flexible solar charger. I've just been trying it out. We've had a few hot days, and yesterday I charged my phone up and it charged it up really well. So it does look promising compared to the one I bought off Temu. It comes with a USB-C adapter. It does have normal USB connection there, but the charging speed is pretty good. Yesterday I managed to charge the phone up to 100% from like 33% in about about 2 hours, which was pretty good. I've got a tablet which I want to try out as well. I'm not sure how good it will be for that. It weighs only 200 grams, so it's nothing to carry. But as I say, also I charged up my GoPro batteries, and they managed to nearly charge up to full in the little charging block. There's 3 of them in there, and they went from 30% up to 70% in about an hour and a half. And that was the dying, and that was the sun when it's less bright. Yesterday when I charged my phone, the sun was pretty strong. It done a damn good charging. This morning I've charged it. It's gone from 11% to 33% in about I think it's about 40 minutes, an hour. But saying that, the sun ain't so bright at the moment. So but I'll say I'll put it on my bike, and I'll let you know as time goes on with it. It's also good when you get to the campsite, I presume. You can just put it outside the tent and put your devices inside the tent while this is getting the full sun and getting charged. The only other option is taking about 10 power banks with you. So, but you know, it's pretty good, and it's a bit of a boy toy as well, you know. So yeah, 0.8 inches from left to right, and the carabiners, I presume they will go into these corners here and click onto your backpack and hopefully adapt it to my bike. And this way, there is 15.5 inches with a depth of 0.7, with the thickest part being the USB adapter there. As I say, I bought one off Temu. It never worked for my phone. It didn't even register, so it just might have been a low wattage one. Not sure, but it wasn't very good. But yeah, it's light as well. I've just done a test with the charger, with the solar panel on my pad, which takes up more draw than a phone, and the batteries for the iPhone. And in 1 hour, in moderate sun with clouds, it managed to do 6% charge on the pad in 1 hour. So if it was 100% sun on a hot day, probably a bit better than that. It's still good. I mean, the only issue is when you're at a campsite or on the move, you're only going to be charging up. You can't charge all 3 at the same time. So you got to prioritise which one you're going to charge, and it's either going to be your phone, your power bank, your iPhone batteries, or whatever. Now, to me, I think the power bank, but it all depends on the journey back. If it's a long journey or a short journey, so your phone might be adequate. I don't know. That's something you have to figure out on the move. But it's good. It works really well. And well, I'll try it on my travels and see how it goes. And yeah, au revoir. This is the the solar panel on the back of my bike. Now at the moment there's various options for installing this on a bike, which I tell you what, there's loads of possibilities what to do. Loads of possibilities. Normally I'd have my panniers on the side, so there's the two carbonizer clips there. There's also, you can have another two on there. I think you can use some sort of cable ties or some sort of string to attach it, whatever you're doing really, although it doesn't look feasible now, but there's options for it. And when you're moving along, that could be getting power with the input there. Get a bit of velcro around the frame here to your devices here, potentially charging a power pack or your phone, because it is quite good when the sun's on it. It's pretty good. Yes, possibilities. This was £29 on Amazon. There is a 40 watt one as well, but that was quite long. You start to get to the point where how far can you go, but this just sits nice on the back, although it will sit nice on the back. And so there's options you can do. I mean, even possible to get some cable ties and attach a bar there across there or something, so that you can go on and whatever you have on there, yeah, sort that out. Yeah, well that's it. Hope it helps. If you ever want to purchase one of these, it does work. It does do a reasonable job. On the back of the box here, it does give you all the time it takes to charge. I've never usually given much notice to these because they're normally exaggerated. You know, like with anything, like the e-bike batteries and stuff like that. But iPhone Pro 12, 1.5 hours, and then the Galaxy S21, 2.1 hours. My phone's iPhone XR, and that was in the full sun. So all these charging times depends on that big red thing in the like yellow thing in the sky. iPad Pro, 4.5 hours. Yeah, this is where it starts to get a bit tricky, but I wouldn't take my iPad with me anyway. It's just my phone. A power bank, 5.5 hours for the 10,000 milliamp power bank, and 11 hours for the 20,000 milliamp power bank. Mine's 10,000, I think. I need to check that. 5.5 hours. Yeah. I'll have a go with that. But yeah, it looks like it's doing the job. As I said before, I had one off Teamia and it just didn't work. Okay, thank you.